Peace. Alright, I'm here to tell you something about AK-47. It ain't that good, but it's alright for Airsoft Wars. Kinda. About 80, 260, I think. About 260 FPS or something. But it's farther than a mini gun. AK-47. Cause a minigun AK-47s and MP5s and Mac 11s and like all that stuff is like 120. But this is like, I don't know, but it's something that I bought, and it looks a little like this. You cock it, and then you bang. And that's the AK-47. It's cool. Let me show you the magazine. I got it from the flea market. Exactly. This is the magazine right here. And see this thing right here? You grab it, pull it all the way down, keep it there, put the BBs on top right here. And put them in there. You pull that thing down, you shake it, and then all the BBs fill up. You close it up. When you close it up, there you go. All the BBs here, you load it up. And then cock it. There you go. Oh, solid. Shoot. There's nothing else to tell you about this gun. It's not auto. Just like, you just seen me cock it. It's not auto. For you who's retarded and really stuff can't really go through your mind. I used to be like that one time, but I growed up. So you don't have to talk about me. So yes, overall it's alright gun. It's alright gun, and it's good for Airsoft Wars. Kinda. I ain't say that it is, but it's kinda. It's kinda. Yeah. It's kinda good. It's kinda good. Alright? Now. Okay, now let's get started. Oh wait, we already done it. Alright, peace. Watch my other videos. This is the webcam, and bye.